Hello, I'm Sukriti and I'm presenting SAS tutorial today. In step 1, I need to use these 7 variables with data about the age when people were diagnosed with different health conditions. The table shown here gives the variables and the description from the MCD 180A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. We need to create an array to change the values of 7777 refused and 9999 don't know to missing values. And this is my code. Here I began by reading the NN17 dataset and then proceeded to clean the data. We identified values coded as 777 refused and 999 don't know and replaced them with missing values. This process ensures that my data is accurate and ready for analysis. Now here uh, I did the loop through each variable to identify the replace refused or don't know values, then replace refused or don't know values with missing. And for these codes I have my log output as this. There were 9254 observations read from the dataset BP NN17, and the dataset work.enhance has 9254 observation and 6266 variables with a total process time 0.27 second and 0.23 seconds. Now in step 2, we need to select two variables from that table, and we need to create two new variables with the following categories of the age 18 to 34, 35 to 54, and 55 plus, and we need to add values and formats in that. And these are my codes for this, for step 2. Here I selected two variables from the dataset, which are MCD180E and MCD180F, which represent the age at heart attack diagnosis and age at stroke diagnosis respectively. I created new age categories for these variables, dividing ages into three groups: 18 to 34, 35 to 54, and 55 and older. This categorization helps me to analyze the data more effectively based on different age groups. And for this, I have my log output as outcome as this. I selected MCD180E and MCD180F. Then there were 9254 observations, and then adding values for the age categories and applying formats to the new character variables as shown in this figure, and adding value labels for the age categories. And these are my log outcome. And for step 3, we need to calculate summary statistics for the two original age variables and create frequency tables for the two new variables that I created in step 2. So here uh, I calculated summary statistics and frequency tables for the original variables MCD180E and MCD180F. Summary statistics provide insights into the central tendency and spread of the data, while frequency tables display the distribution of data within each age category. These analyses help me to gain a better understanding of the characteristics of our dataset. And this is my code, and this is the log output, and this is the result, the frequency table for the age E and the frequency table for the age F. Here high age 55 plus has frequency of 153, and for low age 9005, and for middle age 96. And here at the frequency table for age underscore F has frequency 156, and low age has frequency 9008, and middle age had 90. This is the result. Now in step 4, we need to create a professional graph with at least one of the variable that I created in step 2 and a demographic of the socioeconomic variable from the code book. Now, finally, in this step 4, I created a bar plot to visualize the relationship between MCD180E, age at heart attack diagnosis, and a demographic variable DMD CITZN. I first proceeded the data by removing these missing values and then plotted the distribution of the age categories across different citizenship status. This visualization allows me to explore potential association between age at diagnosis and citizenship status. And this is a output, and this is a result. This is a bar plot for, and this is a bar plot between an age at heart attack diagnosis, MCT180E, and demographic variables, DMD, CIT, ZN. And thank you for watching.